She won it.
I don't like that dining room. I like the curio cabinet though. Dad wanted to get Mom a curio cabinet, okay?
Yeah.
But we had one at Walmart.
The blueberry. That's Mommy.
I don't care if she wants.
Can you grab them yourself?
But we had one at Walmart, and we've had it since day one.
What are we talking about again?
Curio.
Okay, yeah. You told me this already.
But I told Dad, I said, it's not up to me, Brandon.
Yes.
What are they?
The blueberry.
Give me that. Give it. You want to go in the corner?